He called 911 to report an active shooter, but he was talking about himself. When the 911 dispatcher asked what kind of gun he had, he gave a terrifying 7-word answer. "One that'll make you shoot me." What happened next forced officers into a split-second standoff, caught across 5 different camera angles.
911, what is the address for emergency?
I'm at Planet Fitness, and I got a gun, and I'm going to go in there and shoot everybody.
I'm sorry, you said you're at Planet Fitness, the one on Sparks at 640 North McCarran?
Yeah.
Okay, and what's going on there?
I'm going to go in there and I'm going to kill everybody.
You said you're going to go in there and kill everybody? Why are you going to do that?
Yeah.
What is your name? Hello?
Jared Dyer.
You said your name is Jay?
Yeah.
Okay, it's really hard to hear you. Are you outside of the business, or where are you?
I'm in a Chevy S10.
You're in a Chevy S10. What color?
White.
Are you parked in front of the Planet Fitness, or where are you? Jay, are you there?
Yeah.
Okay, where are you parked? Are you parked in front of Planet Fitness, or are you somewhere else?
No, I'm in the truck.
Okay. What's your last name, Jay? Is there anybody else with you?
No. Just my dog's in the back.
Your dog's in the back? What's your dog's name?
Peter.
Kato. Okay, so why do you want to go hurt everybody?
So,
You don't want to hurt everybody? Okay. Do you have a gun on you?
yeah.
You do have a gun on you? What kind of gun do you have?
One that fires.
Okay, is it a handgun or a rifle?
Handgun.
Do you know what kind of gun it is? Like a 9mm, 45mm?
It's one that'll make you shoot me.
Okay. Where do you have the gun? Is the gun with you in the truck or in the back? And Jay, what do you look like so officers can get help to you? Are you white, black, Hispanic?
Friend of God.
What's that?
I'm just a friend of God.
I'm sorry, Jay, really hard to hear. What was that?
Jehovah's planting in the trees.
Is it something about the trees? Okay. What's your last name, Jay? Jay, you still there?
Yeah.
So why do you want to hurt anybody?
I don't want to hurt anyone.
You don't want to hurt anybody? So the officers are going to come in and try and help you. Can you put the gun away from you? Can you put it in the back of the truck?
Come get it.
Yeah, we're going to come in so we can help you. Can you?
61, where exactly is this vehicle at? We're coming in.
93, can you tell? He's going mobile. He's coming at us pretty quick. I'm trapped in my vehicle. Hold on. Hey, watch the crossfire. With ya. Hey, he's got a gun.
Sparks Police Department officers, SWAT, and REMSA medical units stage around the shopping center perimeter. Officers secure the interior of Planet Fitness to protect gym members. A police crisis negotiator establishes phone contact. Guerra states that officers will have to kill him and terminates the call. Negotiators attempt 13 subsequent callbacks without response. Surveillance drones and patrol units pinpoint the Chevy S10 parked near the access road in the shopping center lot.
He's coming at us pretty quick. Neither can you tell he's going mobile. He's coming at us pretty quick. I'm trapped in my vehicle. Hold on. Hey, he's got a gun!
Multiple officers discharge their service weapons into the truck cab. A Remza ambulance situated immediately behind the cruisers rapidly reverses to escape the crossfire. Officers take cover and issue commands via PA systems for 14 minutes, awaiting the arrival of a Bearcat armored vehicle to safely approach the vehicle.
Hey, I'm going up. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Hey, LT. When he came by, he's got a gun. He pointed it at me.
He's going mobile. He's coming at us pretty quick. That's your name, K9. Shots fired. I'm trapped in my vehicle. Hold on. Hey, watch the crossfire.
Yeah.
Okay, yep.
Everybody back up. Everybody back up. Everybody. Everybody back up.
Let's wait till the Bearcat gets here. That's your name, K9. Shots fired. I'm trapped in my vehicle. Hold on.
Hey, watch the crossfire. Where'd you at?
Okay.
All right, we got him. Hey, hey. Pull over here. Hey, back up, back up. Hey, back up, back up. Back up.
There was one that was swinging this one, so
Bearcat gets here.
Cross, cross.
When tactical officers finally breached the cab behind the cover of the Bearcat armored vehicle, it was too late. 39-year-old Jedediah Guerra was pronounced dead at the scene from multiple gunshot wounds. 2 responding officers were treated for non-life-threatening injuries sustained during the head-on crash. What began as an alarming 911 threat against innocent gym members ultimately unfolded as a planned lethal ambush against the officers who responded. The Washoe County Regional Officer-involved shooting team continues its independent investigation.